I'm Josh Manley of Urban Workshop, and I teach the youth program, and I also teach some adult classes as well as on-site children's classes. One of the great things I think about Urban Workshop is allowing students the opportunity to discover something they're interested in. Learning to woodwork or learning to work with metal can sometimes unlock a creative side or a passionate side. The neat thing about our program is that they start off using hand tools, and then we work them through progressively more power tools. We take those skills and we start with the broad introduction, but then we like to develop them over time. Not everybody excels in a classroom. Not everybody wants to open a textbook to learn something. Not everybody wants to sit in a lecture. And to show kids that there's more than one way to learn things, and that making and building things is absolutely a viable path to learning and to growing as an individual is very powerful.